Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day, everyone. We are still in the same topic, abstract classes. And for today's lesson, we will continue to look into another example of program that implements abstract classes. This is Dr. Azrul speaking. And if you still can remember, we have implemented this geometric object example long time ago, to be exact, in the inheritance chapter. However, I'm not going to speak and explain the whole program line by line because we have learned this before, but I am more concerned to explore the current topic which resided in the example. As you can observe in the following class diagram, geometry object is the superclass that is extended by its two subclasses called class circle and class rectangle. What is interesting here is that you can look at the highlighted method text with yellow in color. There are two methods, and can you describe why they are yellow colored and why we are concerning on those methods? The answer is very straightforward, which is both getArea and getParameter methods were common in both class circle and rectangle. They are sharing the same method names. However, the formula or the implementation is different towards circle and rectangle calculation. In short, getArea and getParameter methods for circle class is not the same as the rectangle class. Okay, what next? Right, in the following slide, we can notice that those methods in yellow colored, getArea and getParameter, have been brought up to the superclass geometric object. According to the class diagram, class circle and class rectangle no longer keep those methods in their class. This is what we call the concept of generalization. Methods are share the same name, however, the implementation is different. According to the previous class diagram, now we should able to write the program. And in this program example, we implement the concept of abstract classes. Firstly, at the very first line of code, you can see how we declare the class name. Instead of public class geometric object, now we insert the word abstract in the declaration to define that this is an abstract class. Abstract class geometry object contains few methods. Can you name them? Generally, there are 8 methods, excluding the constructor. 6 of them were concrete methods, which is in the black color text, and all of them have their implementation. 2 out of the 8 methods were abstract methods, as referred to the red color text, namely getArea and getParameter methods. Keep in mind that all abstract methods declared in superclass should not contain any implementation. Thus, leave it blanks without any coding. Okay, now we look into the class circle. Okay, we knew that class circle is a subclass of class geometric object by looking at the class diagram, and perhaps class circle is extending class geometric object as well. However, what we are concerning right now is how this class circle implement two abstract methods, which are getArea and getParameter from its superclass. It is clear in the program that getArea and getParameter methods, which colored in red, implement the methods by providing coding and statements to calculate the area of a circle and calculate the parameter of a circle. It's very clear. And now we proceed to the next class rectangle. This is the same case like class circle, 100% the same. As you can observe, class rectangle also implements two abstract methods, the get area and get parameter. However, class rectangle will implement them in different way as compared to class circle. Yes, the get area and get parameter methods will calculate the area and parameter for rectangle, not circle. Should be simple and straightforward. Okay, right guys. We continue to the next slide. According to the example given, the geometric object class in previous section will be used again, but this time we have another new method called equal area to check if the objects created in circle and rectangle have equal area or not. Then the program will invoke another new method called display geometric object to display the object. The following program illustrates the implementation of previous example. First of all, we construct the new test program class called test geometric object, which contain the main method in order to start the invocation. Then we can observe new objects for circle and rectangle were created with predefined input value. Calculation of get area and get parameter will be taking place after a method called equal area is invoked. The method will return true or false based on the calculation of the area. Finally, the program will invoke display geometric object for both circle and rectangle. The method will produce output that display the area and parameter of both objects. I believe this example is not much related to the abstract class topic, but somehow you may try to add more abstract methods or perhaps constructing new abstract classes that will increase your understanding in this topic. Modify this program so that you can learn more and more. And thank you for watching and listening this video. This is Dr. Azrul wishing you a happy and blissful day today. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.